Added to Solid Simulation in this release are a few new commands for handling the removal of offcuts and scrap. Offcuts that would fall away in the real world and therefore shouldn't be taken into account during verifying the result and collisions. If I run Solid Simulation, you can see that there are various offcuts, one of which causes a collision that would not be a problem in reality. We can now remove these erroneous pieces of material either at the end of simulation or during simulation. This can also be useful when saving out the simulation result as a mesh file, where these extra pieces shouldn't be included.